Hi, I'm Mateusz. I love learning new things and teaching these things to others. That's why I've become Spartacus trainer. I know Spartacus since version 1 and already provided numerous trainings. And I've also took active role in several projects. In this video, I would like to tell you a little bit about my teaching methodology because it's quite unique. On the internet, you can find studies that learning effectiveness does not come from the time you spend on learning. It's rather about how this time is distributed. So, based on my 5 years experience in education, I can totally confirm that. And that's why I've split my 3 days long training into 6 4-hour sessions spread along 3 weeks. I know that this might sound a long period of time, but you have to know that Spartacus is a big project and you need a lot of time to get proficient with it. Here you can see an example training structure. We start on Mondays with so-called blocks. Blocks are something that you might know from the traditional learning. This is a time where I give lectures, I do some live codings, and we have some time for Q&A session. All the fun begins after the block. I give you a homework that you can do at your own pace throughout the week. And you can also reach me out anytime on Slack whenever you need support. On Fridays, we do online demos where all the participants show their code and we give other feedback, and at the end of the demo, I show my solution as a reference. There is also some time for a deeper Q&A. I truly believe in practice-based learning. That's why my exercises are pretty challenging and encompass some real-life scenarios. The goal of the training is to give you a fluency in Spartacus. That's why we don't cover specific features of Spartacus. Of course, we do talk about them, but we focus more on the development approach and how to enable you to work with Spartacus on your own. On the screen, you can see the training contents. Don't get too attached to it because I constantly improve my training curriculum and I tend to change it simply. So it might have already changed since the recording of this video. But anyways, the first block is about all the basics. What is Spartacus? What's its history? How does it compare to accelerators? How to set up it and install? But I also give you some first customization features like outlets and styling. The second block focuses more on some low-level stuff, like data flows from backend to frontend, OCC integration, and config module. The third block is cherry on the top. There I give you some crucial UI customization techniques and add some SEO overview. If that's not something you were looking for, then simply let me know. In contrast to some other training providers, I'm in full control of my curriculum and I can adjust it exactly to your needs. So guys, if you don't want to waste your time learning Spartacus on your own, you know where to find me.